Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So if your Maytag washer is displaying you the F5 error code, this usually points to lid lock or door lock problem depending on your washer model. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to make sure that the lid or the door is fully closed without any obstructions. So you can just simply check for clothing, detergent buildup or damaged latch components that may prevent the lock from engaging properly. After doing so, you just have to simply inspect the lid lock, door lock mechanism for visible cracks, loose connections or mechanical wear. A faulty lock may fail to send the proper signals to the control board that triggers the F5 error code. Now you can also perform a quick reset for the washer controls. For that, you just have to unplug the washer or switch off the power for at least 2 to 5 minutes. This is going to reset and it is going to basically clear the temporary electronic glitches and may restore the normal lock system operations. So you can try these easy fixes and see if your F5 code is gone forever. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.